Imagine getting every answer correct and still failing the exam instantly. Not because your answers were wrong, but because the system detected something suspicious. So today, we are exposing how proctored exams monitor students and whether ChatGPT can actually be detected. So proctored exams are online monitored tests designed to prevent cheating. But students use ChatGPT in a way we call it as cheating. Basically, students attempt methods like using a second device off camera, asking the ChatGPT questions through a hidden phone, copy-pasting exam questions quickly, using virtual machines or hidden browser tabs, and even screen sharing with another person using AI tools, and also smart glasses or hidden earpieces. Now, what proctoring software can detect? So the systems flag looking away too often, typing patterns changing suddenly, multiple monitors, background voices, mobile reflections in glasses, browser tab switching, and unusual answer speed spikes. So even if ChatGPT is on another device, suspicious behavior alone may trigger a review. Now, the real risks. So using AI dishonestly can lead to exam cancellation, permanent account bans, certification revocation, academic discipline, job application rejection, and blacklisting from future assessments. And for government or employment exams, the consequences can be even more severe. That is, one suspicious session can ruin years of preparation. This was all. Thanks for watching.